WordPress is the world's most popular website creation platform. If you hire a web developer to build your website, then there is a very good chance it will be built using WordPress. If you are trying to build your first website yourself, then WordPress is a great choice. In this tutorial series, I will be showing you how to use the fundamentals of WordPress. WordPress is extremely expandable. There are loads of themes, plugins, and extensions that you can use to make WordPress do whatever you want. However, before we start expanding WordPress, you should learn how to use WordPress itself without any huge plugins or extensions. I'll cover everything in the core of WordPress. We will start with how to install it, managing users, posts, pages, settings, everything. I'll cover how to install and activate plugins, but in this series I won't cover using any plugins except for a few small ones that I deem essential plugins, which I believe every WordPress website should have. I'll have another tutorial series that covers commonly used WordPress plugins and how to use those. Here, I want to stick to the basics and show you WordPress completely naked. That sounds a bit violating-ish. I'll show you WordPress like a newborn before we cut. Nope, that's worse. No metaphors. Wait, was I meant to cut that from the script? Just cut and end the video here, just start the tutorials. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. To keep me motivated to make more free tutorials, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a friendly comment. And if you didn't like this video, no problem. Smash that dislike button, twice even, and let me know everything I did wrong in the comments. For more tutorials with WordPress and other website tutorials, check out thewebsiteteacher.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.